Who wants to live on a lake? Hey guys, Jason Patino here with LPT Realty in a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,000 square foot home. This home is located in Clearwater, Florida, very centrally located, minutes from the beach and Clearwater downtown and Dunedin. This is the master bedroom. You can see it's very beautiful with a view of the lake. And you come out into the dining room. So the master bedroom is on one side of the house. And you can walk right out to the patio. And this is the window to the kitchen. And then you have your TV room here. And it all blends in with the kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous home. You've got 3 bedrooms. One here. Both of these bedrooms have beautiful views of the lake. And they have lots of closet space. So if you're a large family or just somebody who likes extra space, this home is great for you. Look at the beautiful rainfall shower. And this is a very large guest bedroom. You could fit a king bed in here and have a nook for an office. This home is affordably priced in the high 500,000s. If you or anyone you know are interested in purchasing this home or coming through and taking a look at it, give me a call, 727-722-8922, or email jasonnosflorida@gmail.com.